Good day and welcome to Mrs. Bam's Study Notes. Today's topic is an introduction to cartoons. Cartoons are a unique and powerful form of visual communication that blend art, humor and commentary to convey messages in a simple, accessible and often entertaining way. While many people associate cartoons with children's television shows or comic strips, cartoons are especially valued for their role in social, political and cultural expression. A cartoon is usually a drawing or a series of drawings that exaggerate or simplify reality. This is to highlight a particular point or opinion, most commonly found in newspapers, magazines or online media. Editorial or political cartoons use satire, symbolism and irony to comment on current events, political issues or societal trends. Rather than stating a message outright, cartoons often rely on the viewer's background knowledge and visual literacy to read between the lines. Cartoons typically include visual elements such as facial expressions, body language, and familiar symbols, as well as textual components like speech bubbles, captions, or labels. Together, these elements create meaning, often in a humorous or a critical way. For example, a cartoon about rising fuel prices might show a character sweating at a petrol station while holding an empty wallet. A simple yet powerful commentary on economic hardships. In South Africa, cartoons have played a significant role in both reflecting and shaping public opinion. Cartoonists like Zapiro, Jonathan Schacherl, are known for using bold, satirical images to critique government action, social injustice, and corruption. While such cartoons may be controversial, they often spark important conversations about accountability, freedom of expression, and the role of media in a democracy. What makes cartoons especially effective is their ability to condense complex issues into a single image, often delivering strong emotional impacts with minimal words. They invite interpretation and discussion, making them useful tools in education, media, and activism. However, because cartoons often rely on exaggeration and stereotypes, they can sometimes offend or misrepresent. This is why critical thinking and cultural sensitivity are important when analyzing them. In summary, cartoons are more than just jokes or drawings. They are powerful communication tools that use humor, visuals, and symbolism to inform, persuade, and provoke thought. In a visually driven world, being able to understand and interpret cartoons is a valuable aspect of both media literacy and critical engagement with current affairs. Let's look at some technical aspects of cartoons. From a technical perspective, cartoons are constructed using a combination of visuals and textual elements to communicate a message quickly and effectively. First, we have line work and drawing style, often exaggerated or simplified, to emphasize emotion, action or features, like large eyes or expressive faces. Number 2 is caricature. This is a technique that exaggerates physical traits of public figures for comic or critical effect. Number 3 is symbolism. Common recognized symbols like a dove for peace or chains for oppression is used to represent broader ideas. Number 4, speech bubbles and captions. These are text elements that clarify dialogue, thoughts, or the cartoonist's commentary. Number 5 is composition. The layout of characters, objects, and text to guide the viewer's eye and to build narrative impact. Number 6, satire and irony. These are stylistic tools used to criticize or mock people, policies, or social norms through humor or exaggeration. Cartoons are designed for quick consumption, so their technical design must balance clarity, humor, and meaning in a single frame or short sequence. The effectiveness of a cartoon often depends on the audience's cultural knowledge and visual literacy. Join me again for Mrs. Bam's Study Notes.